What's up guys, it's Rebecca here and today we are playing a dummy in a Roblox. So I'm very sorry for not uploading it today, but my schedule was very full. Now you might be wondering what this avatar is doing here. It's not even moving. Oh, this is my alt account. And yeah, so today I will be using it to raise two pets at the same time. So it's okay if you see one avatar moving, when one avatar's not, because that's just my hands on different screens. So right now, me and my pet are hungry, so let's just go upstairs and get some food. I'm gonna go get a drink for my cat. Oh, and also guys, for yesterday, because I didn't get to upload, I did get some more snow cats. So right now, as you can see, I've got 5. And now I've already gave away my cats because, well, my friend wanted them because she was making a neon. So right now I'm just gonna, I just need to create a family, invite it to my family, accept that on my phone, give it one of my snow cats, yes, hopefully, okay, so this one's called Leah and it's a newborn, so right now, on my phone, I'm just gonna name it something else. Probably gonna name it like the same thing. Actually, no, I'm not gonna name the same thing. Otherwise, it's just gonna get too confusing. I'm gonna name it. What should I name it, guys? Comment down below. You know what? I'm gonna name it Chloe. I'm naming it Chloe. Safe. There we go. Now, if I can just, I need to be an adult. I need to be an adult. Right, I forgot. Dress up, switch to parent. Get my snow cat out. There we go. And why do I look like that? Just let me, okay, there we go. Now that's much better. Now if I just pick this one up, pick this one up. And then if this one rides me, ride. There we go. So now I've got 3 sleepy tasks, which is gonna help a lot in making money. Doop. Okay, so let me just see. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Let me just put my snow cats in here, and so is my alt account. There. Okay, so right now, Chloe is hungry. Now, how I know that is because on my phone, I can actually see the task. So, oh, whoops, pick up snow cat, there. Now, if I just get myself to ride, there we go. There we go, pick up. So how you know that, so if I press E, there's Snowcat 1, which is at the top, and Snowcat 2, which is at the bottom. Now how I know which one's which is because if you do this, look, left to right. Snowcat 1, which is hungry. So the Snowcat on the left is Snowcat 1. And then the Snowcat on the right is Snowcat 2. You see, because it's 1, 2. And then I get the right one. So that's how I do it. Pick up. So this video is basically all about me just raising up my snow cats. And hopefully, if we get any time today, we can make our first neon. So like if like I could, I would have like also been a baby so that I get 4 times the money. But because I'm being a baby, I won't be able to pick up 2, and my alt account won't be able to ride me. I'd have to be a parent. So just putting my alt account there and putting my snow cats there. I'm just making them shower. Okay, so just let me ride me, which doesn't really make any sense. Make me ride me. Pick up Chloe. There we go. Ah! Okay. I'm not sure what the task is gonna be, but I'm going to move my house in one of the premium plots. As you can see, I am on my private server, which is why nobody's here. It's very quiet. Just move my house there. Oh, and also, guys, it's okay if like one of my friends just join me. I'll tell them that I'm making a video, and hopefully they would like go away. So in here, I'm just filling out this task. Like, I think that Adopt Me could improve is that you could like, using Robux, you could like do like instant, and then all of like the tasks are just done. Otherwise, because like waiting for like school and then like hot spring, it's kind of like time wasting. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, so just getting some money. And then if I go to my house, then I can actually give, so my alt account right now has $288. And then if I put a cash register in my house, then I can donate some money. So I just go to my home. So today is my 103rd login day streak, guys. I can't believe it. Oh, okay. Add a house stuff. Just search up cash. You don't need to search up cash register. Of course, I'm gonna buy the $100 one. Stop editing. Just go close to it. On my phone, I'm gonna say pay owner. Limit is 50. Okay, 50 at a time. 50 and then 50. There we go. So on this cash register, it can only pay you 3 times 50. Otherwise, it would say this cash register is a bit full. Try again a little later. Okay, so just let me see who's thirsty. Okay, my alt account is thirsty. Then just let me go over here, let my alt account drink. Just wait for it because I can't really control two at the same time. And then my alt account is also hungry. Grab donut. Oh my gosh, my alt account is still thirsty. Oh my gosh, why did I grab it? Okay, let me see. Give item from hand. Yes. Okay. Let's see how that works. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, so Snowcat is hungry. Okay, Chloe is hungry. Chloe. Okay, Chloe is number 2 there. What I do recommend is making, like, if you're making mega neons or something, start with commons and uncommons, because they level up really fast. For instance, with a legendary, it would take hours to level it up. So for instance, for a common, I can basically level it up from a newborn to a full grown is probably about 2 to 3 hours. For a legendary, I don't know, $6. No, not $6. 6 hours or something. It can take forever. So just let me go upstairs again because apparently my ult account is thirsty again. Now, of course, in a moment, I will have to go charge my iPad. Because as you just saw, it was on 10%. But it's okay, I can still film. Just drinking. Okay, I'm gonna move to my charger so that I can, have it on. Charge. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's just wait for some needs and hopefully it'll work. Okay, Snowcat 2 is hungry. There. I'm just gonna bring my phone as well. Now just let me check if it's charging or not. Okay, yep, it's charging. Pick up. Now guys, don't do this at home, but I kind of have to because, I'm making a video. So, just don't charge while you're playing because then your iPad or like your device will just break down very soon. Because that's what happened to my old phone and my old iPad. But it's for entertainment. So I kind of have to do it. Okay, so now after a while, I'm going to pay again my ult account to my account. So let me pay 50. If it works, yep, it works. And another 50, pay. And another 50, if there's enough. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna teleport to toys because that's the fastest that it can go if you want to go camping. And yeah. So yeah, you can hear like and like this two at the same time. So me just making my way to the campsite. What I hate the most is actually when a task like goes away when like you're there, cause like I've had a lot of times when like I'm like at the campsite and then like I'm at the campsite and then like the task just goes away. It's just really annoying. There we go. Them all there. So this is actually my Roblox avatar. I have updated it. So, it's a bit more like me. So I will do a face reveal after some time if I get 1 million subscribers, as you know. Maybe. And then, drop baby. Like, just let me ride. And then, let me see, I need to get my other snow cats. Okay, pick up. There we go. Done. So now, I'm gonna bring my door out. I'm gonna teleport to my house. And then just let me see if I can exit home because I need to see how much money my ult account has. Okay, $62. Okay. 62. Okay. Oh wait, whoops. Here, first a 50 pay, then a 12. So this is normally how I get like lots of money at like the same time. So like, it's kind of like having like twice the money. which is why last video you saw that there was a cash register on the floor. Just going upstairs so that I can get some water from my old account. Oh gosh, now they need the shower. Just there. Ah. Oh my gosh. There. And then just drinking. Okay, now if I just right. Now if I just pick this one up and pick this one up, then exit home. Now this is the big deal. So as you can see, for hospital, I normally talk to bots because, you know, like NPCs, because like it's just a lot faster. But because you've got 3, like, oh my gosh, how much money you get is so much. Which is why I like the orange tasks, because they give you a lot of money. Just making my way to the hot springs. Oh, I loved the pool party event, but now it's gone because the pool party event gave you so much money. Oh, and also guys, if there's ever the 2 times dollar event, that's how you wanna like get like play as much as you can, because then you can get so much money. Like for instance, just like just for eating or drinking, you could get like $12 or something, and then like you get like so much money. Guys, you know, if I get $2,000 more, then I can literally buy another luxury apartment. Comment down below if you want me to buy another luxury apartment. There we go. Now let's just wait for some more tasks, and hopefully we can get a you know, a neon today. So as you can see, I have 2 full-growns here. I've got this teen here, and I've got this newborn here. So yeah, I've got quite a lot. Okay, so Snowcat 2 is thirsty. Let me see if a propeller can lift me up. Okay, nope. Okay, let me see another propeller. Do I have any other propellers? No, I don't. Okay, great. That's very useful, guys. Okay, just let me see if my alt account has $50. Oh, okay, it does. Then just let me pay 20. Oh, okay, that's enough. Okay, how about 10? Ooh, okay. Okay, enough of pain. Let's just, you know, get our tasks done. So right now, Chloe is thirsty. Easy. Snowcat. I know this can be a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just waiting for a lot more tasks, and hopefully we can make a neon today. So this is my dance floor, as you can see. Dances, I like dance too, because yeah, it's just cool. I like it. But you don't really want to like do it if you've like got like 3. Because I've got my old cat on my back and I've got 2 Snowcats. So you don't really want to dance, otherwise, you know, it can be a bit annoying with like all of the pets and people on you. Let me just exit home to see how much money. Okay, $14 on my alt account. Oh my gosh, guys, I've got $6,300. Pay owner and 14. There we go, pay. Okay, this register seems overloaded right now. Try again later. Okay. Oh, whoops. I'll probably end this video probably when Lulu Not for Trade is on full grown, and then in the next video, which is tomorrow, hopefully, I will be able to make my neon because I'll need to level up Chloe over here. So as you can see, if you want windows, I would use mirrors instead, because if you use mirrors, look, oh wait, whoops, you need to write mirror instead of mirrors. So for instance, this basic mirror, if I just put this on the wall, look, it looks like you're looking outside. So yeah. Okay, let me see which one. Okay, so Snowcat 2 was thirsty. There. I need to get my second charger because now my phone is on 20%. So I just get my other charger and then charge my phone. Well, my phone is hot. Okay, back. Pick up. Now, all I have to do is just try not to let my devices just fall through this gap right here. Hopefully it doesn't. Snowcat 2. There. Oh my gosh, this is going to be preteen. Yay. Oh my gosh. Preteen, there we go, and there we go. But it's gonna be nighttime still. There we go, just waiting for them to finish sleeping. So right now I've actually got the winning smile, but with this bear mask on top, it just looks a lot better. So if I just pick up preteen Chloe, teen Lulu, and if I just ride myself, right, there we go. Now it's a lot better. So once I make my first neon, I'm probably gonna give it fly ride potions. So a ride potion and a fly potion. Cause you know, we're making a mega neon fly ride Snowcat here. So that's what you want. So now I'm gonna put them in the shower so that they get ready for the morning. Now normally in my actual day, I actually take the shower at night, like right before I go to bed. But you know, this is Adopt Me, not in real life. So I'm just trying to make the time go faster, hopefully. So for this couch, I've actually got, you know, like these bricks here. And then like how I got this blanket, this is actually a table with a tablecloth on top. You just need to like, at a house, you know, just, oops, okay, you just need to like color it, like that, and then, but I like this color because it matches. And then these pillows over here, they're actually sitting poofs. So if I just color them white so that they match with these ones right here, and these and this one, that will look a lot better. So they're sitting poofs so that you can actually sit on them. And then I put a bed here so that I can sleep. And yeah, and then I can sit here. And then since this is an Pretty sure there's an extravagant one, or is it a corner? Let me just search sofa. Yeah, it's an extravagant. It's this one right here. Yeah, and I just colored it. So I just colored it like that. So yeah. So now it's the morning and they're taking their shower. And then that will be posting. Yay! Okay. Now, please, can I just pick you up? Okay, you can't pick your pet up right now. Very annoying. Okay, which ones? Okay, Snow Cat 2. Okay. And then if I just write myself on my old account, right? Okay, there we go. And then pick up. Yay! It's posting. I'm so happy, guys. Now posting is the real challenge because posting takes forever to level up, especially if it's a legendary. Okay, let me just exit home and see how much money I have in my old account. Okay, $48. Let me just go back in and have $48 ready. 48. Oh wait, whoops, not this one. This account. 48. There we go. Now, as you have probably can tell, I am obsessed with puppies and dogs. But Mom's not actually letting me buy one, which is really sad. Which is why in Adopt Me, I have a mega neon flower dog. So just filling out this board. Oh wait, no, not board. School task. Turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. Yay! So this is the school library. And yeah, not a lot to do here. Kind of boring. But you just jump around, just stand around, filling out the school task. Kind of boring. But then you finish, and then it's such a relief. Yay. Okay, now if my old account just pays me $44, that would be great. Hopefully. If it doesn't say, oh, this cash register is full. Okay, just let me see. Pay $44. There, pay. Yay, done. Okay, guys, I think I'll end the video there. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.